I want to start with Jane. Okay. I think the organization was awesome.
Oh yes.
So APSA. It was excellent. Mameno, I'm not surprised. As a professor, the delivery, the persona, everything, she was on point. I have a still problem with John Dramani Mahama. Papa is a communicator, you know. But Mahama has
FM 87.9.
That's why like no names. No,
but it is part of politics.
Part of politics, but you see, bra is a serious, and a bra is a would die jokes. I'll come to it. Was not Muhammad Day. I don't want to do a match on Mahama, but let me deal with the woman. Evans Medica can has said the woman as a personality, she's par excellent. I mean, she's excellent by far. Persona, education, personality,
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But I have a still difficult problem, and I want to emphasize she is a wrong choice for John Dramani Mahama at this time as a running mate.
Okay.
Bimu and why John Mahama still emphasize on Sawumano and reasons I would a wedge. I gave my reasons. One, my meaning fear when you my meaning fear when you Naana Opoku Agyemang
87.9 Kumasi.
Oba Obabuna excellent. Who do this stage? Oh, battle with monopause. Oh, battle with underlying health conditions are naturally a deba, especially when you are a woman. John Dramani Mahama so enfie ekwa animu. Why politics edu baby? Oba second term one, he will need somebody very, very, very energetic as a running mate. And kono no betimi aye adwuma ne dodo na ama no as Dr. Baumia the man and now to secure power. As to what they did with the power is another subject for discussion. Now, way from 2024 going 2025-26, should she become the president? Our negatives be brave as a person,
the vice president.
To the NDC win, I just say meetings be brave, any pressure, beer, a better abiding so. To reorganize the position this country no mami we say pressure bebre o ha o ye honam ni boja ontimi what you say entimi momi de me I still don't understand why John Dramani Mahama, you know, na me hear debate of the future of NDC, how after 4-year term or Kofi no they will reposition Ghana. Well, that is not even the debate. But personally, Evans, nipa wu nyina sabri wo program asubet ma junso be 3, 4, 5 times kra na wo kwaba wo na wunro so esa wutimi ye we ma me no at least yenimema when you are growing the hormonal changes between a man and a woman, and these things are medical, these things are natural. For me, and I will share over the years on your politician. She is an academia. Obeka so Kofi Baumia now also a politician. Baumia enya a different couch. He had a very different orientation. Mamene is academia. Academians always want to go follow the protocols and lead by rules and how it is. Until me mommy, I still believe she's not a right choice for NDC at this time, at this crucial moment in Ghana. But if that is so, fine.
You see, I can say no. Maybe angle is that are they looking beyond power? Yeah, when power we. And now say they are looking at how we can get the power. For me, who say the Kofi kind of officer when you need whatever it is. Now, let's not forget say the NDC try all means betimi de anya power. And that is what they are looking for now.
Absolutely. They just want power.
Kofi, that's what they are looking for now.
I see.
I don't know Evans issues say factions so let's not boil it within. Now yeah, as ye funny, I don't know ya bedu baby no ye ba be bomua manadru pointer. At the time Makabe some few months to election. We so until and the similar one is happening in the MPP. Currently 87.9 say John Dramani Mahama and in Pennyform taking this decision. Say now let us look at what we can do now at the moment to win power. See when the power ni we are. We can go say issue about running vice president in Komodino. Recent times and spotlight na ko. Recent times when Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as the running mate then started say or throw shades at the vice president Amisata. That was when spotlight started call. I mean him say was steady from 92 whereby what I say even in office ya share that the spotlight not to vice president so say yeah share the vice president you see you don't see Sani man bebre say ya ni war the vice president so again no year policy be no deba meeting be no ko until recently Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebemu na now dan Kwaku Fado at a point even in the second term knowing very well say Omo prepare somebody in Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia started putting the spotlight on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Yeah. Ehona be say event bi o ha no be lead no be press conference. Questions bi o ha no be bisa. Then the opposition so started targeting him. Now to the point that spotlight started say about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so say
87.9
driver's mate. Yeah.
You see no super so train who feel that spotlight na dia man because major policies bi o ho no mo a enyo no na dey on the implementing inti they will kind being at the office going for meetings strategic decisions and other things because it is recent times and they any call but me I see the NDC focusing on the power now when we get the power I mean how am I be na juma who to be say at some point decision bi the vice president kranyo ne take go be na here adwuma no na omode akọ cabinet na whatever it is so me health and other issues here me I don't want to focus on it now say the Evans adding the track records and near my 1 year since obaye into the NDC joining the former president John Dramani Mahama and the impact awenya of course because you couldn't mean discount it effort or central region said the Evans saying Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia this year this 2020 elections because we win mejumo at a point or making sure the seats be hard more strategically no also when the NPP and then no nama and they even that the effort to put it in crown and nama this parliament right see so it tells you that baby and penny free banner strategically ebetimi aboa and per the wire kakra from the last election bano I think that so mo de money kono so or the onye from so bia and let us get the power yenya power ni we are the aka wo kan na meetings ni ade ne de yenya power na we no de say ho de
apart from say central region in opposition on betraye what has been her impact on the party
Kofi you see mahunu ewo some events and also around I was looking at Nirola or play as a woman and it can be fast obey me I wanted that community no Ediama the NDC and Kofi I can tell you that in opposition me who sa Jumana all year going to some events any other programs onye so loud to say ebi abeka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na in opposition krano now on also mounted platforms because or your economists now onim what is happening at the time and will obisa those questions of course on also or your academia from the academia until you really want to get those things that maybe I want to compare Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in opposition now telling raising issues about the economy some questions are all through the opposition but underground maybe we have seen her in some event or how to so the target need to focus in your how about winning man and I will share pictures in any idea it tells you that community no I already somewhat accepting
The man within the NDC.
Who?
A man within the NDC.
Abagovi. They are floating voters on me.
Okay.
I am telling you, sir, some of them are also rooting for her. And we didn't say no crime at the point. Even the MPP, they take a decision.
Say the chief of staff.
You see,
on anti-freeman.
Yes. And this woman, which what's her name?
Which anti-freeman will be the best terrible and the worst choice for the MPP.
You see,
I mean, considering her also current age and everything as a vice president.
Yes.
I mean, come on.
At what point end that discussion by? So that discussion by because of Jane.
Now, as I don't get BB.
Akuma FM 87.9.
Sedon in the NDC BB Koso. Their desperation over certain things is getting too exposed. I said, stop fighting over positions and let's win first. What I'm saying this for see I'm a position.
I'm telling you. Enra
Evans we cross starting man to say where your board chair will be they are as if said they've just won the power. Now why this that is
a dangerous said the mom.
For you to work and go and do a campaign apart from say John Dramani Mahama a campaign a few communicators. Is it this serious?
You see, I'm sure say be almost leverage on the current situation.
Now I'm telling you that that's what Mahama na kasa Ghana for your
yes. Who ni say near man ye enye wo mo krom wo so ho nko an Kofi a from free didn't come that ye ba power. But sometimes when they say those things make them the bema mo hweso ye adwuma no a let
us all go for the hand. When we kill the game,
we can share the meat. And now can send set up on the set up no. And now share how the arrangement necessity. You see, and now me can ask me to
suppose
we see who say abine bar. Some take front seat. No take front no.
Evans.
Front.
I mean, this thing is getting serious. And I'm surprised. Opposition. This is a critical election. But yeah, Mama NDC for you say MPP Nungas
that is they say I know common say and
campaign cry
and you hear some of them say uko position decision we take no bad decisions that we take and everything you say at a point a man be the opposition is just staring at you.
No.
But masa adwuma wo ho